Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. If you are using the touch keyboard in Windows 11, you may have noticed a microphone icon for voice typing. This feature allows you to dictate text instead of typing manually. However, some users may want to hide the voice typing button, while others may want to enable it. In this video, I will show you how to show or hide the voice typing microphone button on touch keyboard in Windows 11. So let's get started. First click on the start button, then click settings. Under Windows settings, select time and language in the left sidebar. On the right, click on typing. Here you will find touch keyboard. Click on this. Now you will see here show the voice typing mic button. You can enable or disable, check or uncheck according to your choice. Once you have enabled, open the touch keyboard from the taskbar and you will see the microphone icon available for voice typing. That's it. It only takes a few clicks. The voice typing feature is useful when you want to quickly dictate text without using a physical keyboard. That's all for today. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to GearUpWindows.